All right, guys, we're making lumpia, making lumpia today. Stick around. All right, guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're one of our returning subscribers, part of CJ's crew, hey, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel and you want to see what we do on this Brio Air Fryer or out back on my Blackstone or on the Weber or whatever we're doing here, because we're all around, we're a diversified cooking channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it so you get all the good stuff that we're doing here. All right, so today we're gonna make lumpia, and it takes a while to get that down. I always say it wrong. We did this at the YouTube Southern California Creators Meetup as just an afterthought. You know, Josh and Babe cooked it up on the Blackstone, and we just were rolling through it, and it was a good time. So we have some leftover Lumpia Wrapers from that time, and I want to use them. I want to make it again. I want to use my air fryer again. So I'm going to show you how you do it. This is pretty much what I saw Marion do. Marion from Robert Roy, check out his channel up here. This is what we did when he were out there cooking. So if it isn't authentic, it's pretty damn close, and it tasted really damn good. So the ingredients will be down below. We'll do the recap later of all the ingredients so you can see what we did. And let's get started. All right, guys. So we're gonna do the shrimp separately because not everybody in the house likes shrimp in their, well, like shrimp at all. So I'm going to saute up some, whoops, get back in there, maybe, get it, all right. I'm gonna saute up just some minced shrimp, and I'm only gonna put it in like half of them. So what I got in here, I got a little minced garlic and a little salt and pepper and olive oil. Okay, so we're just gonna cook these through real quick. All right, so we're gonna get a little of the toasted sesame seed oil in this big pan right here, where we're gonna do all the meat and veggies. It's about a tablespoon. All right, so we're gonna get this heated up and throw our onions in. Oops. All right, we're gonna get these onions nice and cooked through, nice and translucent. All right. These shrimp are gonna be done, so I'm gonna turn it off. These over here. We'll mix those in when we get everything else going here. We're gonna get these sauteed through, and we'll start adding the other veggies. Come on back. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna go ahead and throw the potatoes in now. All right, and the carrots. Then once these get kind of cooked through, I'm gonna add another like a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then we'll add the meat into it. Okay, come on back. We're gonna add our meat. So we got a pound of ground round. We're gonna do a pound of Italian sausage. I'll tell you what, we may not use all this filling that we're making right now, but I'll tell you, this will make a meal out of itself. Just veggies, meat, little pork. All right, guys, I'm gonna get this all mixed through, cooked through, and we'll start assembling these lumpia. You get what I'm saying. I'm gonna put in a ton of black pepper because it makes things taste good. All right, we do a little pink Himalayan salt. You don't have to put too much because we're putting in a little soy sauce. All right. When I say a little, I mean a lot. All right. I'd say a good 3/4 cup. Okay, we're gonna get this mixed through, and finished up, and we'll start building these things. All right, come on back. All right, guys, we're back. I've already started doing a couple of practice few on these, so I'll do a couple on camera. Now I told you we're doing two different kinds. We're doing without shrimp and with shrimp. So I'm gonna do the without shrimp first, so the people who don't like shrimp can get eaten, or get to eating, not get eaten. All right, so we got a couple little spoonfuls in there. All right, so we're rolling it over, and then tucking it back, and then pushing it onto itself. All right, you see that? And then we're tucking in this side, and then tucking in the other side. All right, and just rolling it through. All right, we're dipping our fingers in a little egg wash just to keep it tight. right. See? Good stuff. All right. Let me wipe my fingers off. Let me do one more for the camera. All right. So, doing the diamond pattern. A couple little spoonfuls of the goodness. All right. Don't worry if someone comes on, you know, some pours around. All right, so tuck it over onto itself. Bring it back now, bring it back. Tighten, tighten, tighten. All right. Fold over, and finish rolling. And then a little egg washy. All right, it's good to go. We'll put it in there. I'm gonna roll a couple more up, and before we get started, I'll take you over there, okay? All right, guys, we're back. We got the first batch already out, so we're gonna put the second batch in. This is the batch with shrimp. So I just have some olive oil. One of my viewers pointed out that aerosol olive oil was no bueno, harmful gases and whatnot. So I'm gonna take them up on their word, and I'm just gonna brush a little olive oil on these and just let it cook that way. 400 degrees for 10 minutes. And there it goes. All right, guys, we're done. I'm gonna bring you in over the top of these things. Look how good that looks, crispity crunch. Okay, guys, we're gonna recap the ingredients here. We have some shrimp that we're gonna mince up. Got some frozen potatoes defrosted, some shredded carrots, an egg to seal the wrappers, some red onions, soy sauce, toasted sesame with seed oil, black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and minced garlic. And then we got our Italian sausage and ground beef over there. And of course we got our Lumpia Wrapers. And Marion left a little tag on here. Come on. All right, guys, we're back. We got these things out of the air fryer, which you've seen already. They look magnificent. I'm sure they taste even better. I got a little hoisin sauce for dipping sauce. Normally you just get a little sweet and sour, but this is what I had. So we'll mess with that later. I just want to get the full flavor. You know these things look awesome. They've sat a little bit because you know if you take a bite right out of the air fryer, you're gonna burn the crap out of your mouth. Right, camera person?
It's true.
All right, cool. All right, we'll try these bad boys. All right, guys. That was easy to do, sort of. It's a little bit of a prep time, but I showed you the easiest way to roll these lumpia. Yeah? Close enough. All right. I showed you how to roll them. The filling is just easy. It's tasty. The flavors going on right now just out of control. All right. If you want one of these Nuwave Brio Air Fryer, the 10-quart version, there'll be a link down below and a link in the comments that I have pinned. Go ahead and get you one. These things are beasts. All right. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. And again, thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.